for the SC Ready test.
Pumped up and ready to rock their exam. 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students at Michael C. Riley Elementary School are having fun while learning to soar at Camp Eagle. The camp-themed event, designed to help students prepare for their upcoming state exams, is wrapping up with a fun celebration. Over the past 2 weeks, campers rotated through several hands-on activities, collaborating in small groups with teachers from across the school, focusing on reading, math, and science.
While they travel to different classrooms throughout the day into their groupings, they're engaged in fun activities, games, hands-on activities. Teachers are making the learning fun and engaging and also keeping in mind a camp out theme.
Camp Eagle activities are built to boost confidence, collaboration, and critical thinking, all while keeping students engaged and motivated.
What's great is the teachers came together and they collaboratively planned. We looked at our students, we looked at the data, the standards, because we just want our children to do the best that they can do.
Boys and girls, you are going to do fantastic on the SC Ready test. I know that you are ready for this.
The students are talking with each other. They are just speaking about what they're learning, and that's the most important thing. When a child can tell you what they are learning, that's important because they're owning that learning.
Camp Eagle is making learning exciting as students work together, learning new strategies and reviewing skills for the exam.
I really liked how we got to learn different strategies to do things. We did adding fractions and multiplying fractions, and different teachers did it different ways, and they would show you different operations to do it.
You get to go to different rotations, and they did different activities. They do it in different ways and help us.
You get to learn more things from each teacher and new strategies.
From reading games to science challenges, like building solar ovens to make s'mores, these campers are putting their skills to the test.
The black paper absorbs the heat, and then the plastic wrap keeps the heat inside the box. And then we put tinfoil inside of it so it'll reflect onto the s'more and it'll make it cook. My favorite activity was basketball because we had to answer questions with a group and write it down. We had to shoot a paper into the trash.
This is the 2nd year the school has hosted Camp Eagle. At Michael C. Riley Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.